Hello guys, this is the next question in the series of PYQs, previous year questions, microeconomics, theory of consumers behavior. This is from June 2012, paper 3, and the question in this question they are asking you which of the following conditions are the conditions of consumers equilibrium. So what are the conditions of consumers equilibrium? So you see the conditions are basically number first condition is that MRS must be equal to ratio of prices. And how do we get MRS? MRS is basically ratio of marginal utility. See, this is a condition. This is a condition, not the formula. This must be equal to, this MRS must be equal to this, but this is a formula. How do we calculate MRS? This is a formula. Okay, so and now the next thing is how do we get mu1 mu2? So for a utility function like this, x1 and x2, these are two commodities, and this mu1 will be partial differentiation of this utility function, sorry, with respect to x1, and mu2 will be partial differentiation of utility function with respect to good 2. So in this way we get mu1 mu2, and we put these values in this MRS formula, then we equate it with this ratio of prices. So this is the first condition basically. So if you alter this first condition in the form of formulas of mu, so you will get delta u upon delta x1 divided by delta u upon delta x2 is equal to p1 by p2, and further we solve this, we get delta x2 upon delta x1 is equal to p1 upon p2. So this is the condition to be met for consumer to be in equilibrium. This is basically a necessary condition, although there is another condition which is a sufficient condition, that is you do second order derivative of utility with respect to good x1, which must be less than 0. This second order derivative, it shows the convexity of IC. It shows that IC is convex to the origin, or you can say MRS is diminishing. So in these options the correct answer is D, because nothing is matching with the solution I have provided to you. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and please subscribe my channel to get notification on upcoming videos, and I'll give a detailed explanation on theory of consumers behavior, each and every topic, a detailed explanation in my videos. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching again.